guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking a really delicious midweek meal. Hope you're going to try it with me and follow me along. It's sausage casserole, but you might want to call it sausage stew.
And I'm going to be cooking it in one of these. Yes, a slow cooker.
And while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's only that little button there, and you'll see all of my new videos and all the old ones too. There's got to be a really delicious recipe in there somewhere for you. So stick around and I'll show you this one.
Now, because this is a casserole, we're obviously going to need some root vegetables. Now, I'm going to make a start by putting in some chopped turnip. I've got about half a turnip here. Now, if you want, you can use swede. That'll go down just as well. Next, I'm going to put in some carrots. They've been chopped too. And a whole red onion, chopped up quite large. You want to keep all these vegetables about the same size. And some bacon for extra flavour. Then I'm going to go in with a pack of cannelloni beans. I love these beans and they go great in any casserole and a soup as well. Very, very tasty. I'm going to put those in, complete with the juice that they came in. We don't want to tip that away or rinse off any flavour. Then a tin of chopped tomatoes. Whack that in. Followed by our stock. I'm using chicken stock, but you can use vegetable stock, beef stock, any old stock you want to use really. And then our sausages. Now these have been cooked for about 15 or 20 minutes in an oven on high to get that nice crusty skin on the outside. That certainly packs a punch with the flavour. Now we just want to mix this down a little bit. Now this is my secret ingredient, or one of them anyway, a little drop of soy sauce. If you put that in any casserole, you can't taste it as soy sauce, but it certainly adds some flavour. As does this. A little bit of sriracha, or any sort of hot sauce will do, just to give it that little tiny bit of a kick. So we don't want too much in there, just a little smidge drizzle. Pop that in. And where would we be without good old Liam Perry's Worcestershire sauce? In that goes. Then again, just a little drop sprinkled around. And some seasoning. A little bit of salt. And of course, some freshly cracked black pepper. A little bit of tomato puree. Or tomato paste, some people might call it. Getting a little bit short on that, to be honest. I shall have to get another tube. So it's on with the lid. Then I'm going to cook this down for about 2 hours. And this is what we've got. And I can tell you guys, this does smell so good. So very, very tasty. So now I can put in the potatoes. I don't put these in at the beginning because they tend to cook faster than everything else. And to be honest, they would just vanish. And then you wouldn't have any potatoes. Not that you could see anyway. So it's back on with the lid, and we're going to cook these down for about another 1 to 2 hours until your potatoes have cooked right the way through and taken in all those beautiful flavours. Then this is what you've got. Time to plate up. Doesn't that look lovely? Now you don't really need anything with this, apart from perhaps a slice of really crusty bread. Look at this, guys. Looks and tastes fabulous and cheap. And a midweek meal, and it's beautiful. What more could you ask for? Now it's time for a taste test.
Oh wow, it really is delicious. It's certainly changed the taste of those sausages. Plain old sausages, tasted absolutely fabulous with all those flavours in there. Please try this recipe for yourself, you won't be disappointed. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. It's just down there, press that little button and you'll see all my new videos and all my old ones too. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.